In this video, we will show you how to reset Epson XP or Expression Home 202 using resetter or adjustment programs. Before you download this resetter or adjustment programs, we suggest you to disable for a while your antivirus, including Windows Real-Time Protection and the Temper Protections if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. After you disable for a while your antivirus, then you can download this resetter. The link on comments. After you download the file, you can just extract the file by right-clicking on the file and select Extract All, and click Extract button here. Then open the Resettle folder and run the adjustment programs. In here, click Select button, then select the model name to XP-202 and click OK. Continue by clicking Particular Adjustment Mode button and choose Was Ink Pad Counter and click OK. Then, tick the Main Pad Counter option and the Flatten Pad Counter options. After that, you can click Check button. Then click Initialization button. If the resetting is successfully, you can click Finish. Then you can turn off your printer. If you face error here, try to moving your USB printer to another available port on your computers. After that, you can try to repeat the resetting process. After the resetting is complete, you can turn off your printer. After that, you can turn back on your printer again. That's all tutorial how to reset Epson XP-202 using resetter or adjustment programs. If you have any question, you can fill up in the form comments. Hope this video helpful for you.